Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are healthy and safe at your places. Today, I am going to tell you a very important thing which we all use in our daily routine. And do you know what is today's topic? That is conversation. Student, we all speak to someone every day. But today, we learn English communication. So, first of all, we know how to introduce ourselves and how. I will tell you some basic steps of introduction. So, let's start. English conversation. Student, in this video, we are going to learn English conversation. First, we learn how to introduce ourselves. So, let us begin our class. Today, we'll meet Thomas and Sarah.
I am Thomas. I am a boy. This is my sister, Sarah. She is a girl. We like to play.
I am a girl. I like to play. I like to play with my brother. We enjoy playing.
Students, Sarah is in the kitchen. Let's see what she is doing in the kitchen and how she is talking about.
Hello everyone. I like to eat bread. I like to drink orange juice. I like breakfast. Thomas, there is orange juice in this jug. Can you pour it into these glasses?
Yes, I can pour it into these glasses.
Thank you, Thomas.
Children, Thomas and Sarah are in the playground. Let's see what they are doing and what they are talking about.
Hello everybody. Sarah and I are flying kites. My kite is purple. Sarah's kite is pink. We love flying kites. I have a purple kite.
I have a pink kite. Our kites are big. Look, our kites are flying high in the sky.
Children, Sarah is thirsty and she is in the kitchen. Let's see what she is doing in the kitchen.
I am thirsty. I need a drink. There are 2 lemons here. I will make lemonade. The lemonade tastes good. It is sour. Lemonade is good for health. Lemons have vitamin C in them.
Now let's go ahead and do our book work. Student, Read these common expressions which you all use these common expressions during the day. Here is the first sentence is about when you wake up in the morning, how do you wish your mother? जब आप सुबह उठते हैं, आप मम्मा को कैसे विश करते हैं? Yes, you wish your mother by saying, Good morning, mummy. Next question is about when you ask someone about him or her. जब आप किसी से उसके बारे में जानते हैं, तो आप क्या पूछते हैं? Hello, how do you do? Next sentence is about how you reply when someone asks you about your health. जब कभी कोई आपकी हेल्थ के बारे में पूछे तो आप उसे कैसे रिप्लाई करेंगे? You usually say, I am fine, thank you. Next sentence is about when you allow or ask to leave from an obligation. So how will you reply or how will you ask a question? Excuse me, please. Next sentence is about when somebody says thank you, what will you reply? You're welcome. जब कभी आपको कोई थैंक यू कहे तो उसका जवाब वेलकम में देना चाहिए. Next question is about what do you ask if you want to know the time? अगर आपको टाइम जानना है तो आप कैसे जानेंगे? You will say, what is time now? Next sentence is about if someone asks you time, what will you answer? अगर कोई आपसे टाइम पूछे तो उसका आंसर आप कैसे देंगे? Your answer should be according to your watch. It's 5 o'clock by my watch. Next sentence, if you want to enter the room. अगर आपको रूम में एंट्री लेनी है, so what will you ask? May I come in, sir? And if somebody asks you the same question, what will you reply? Yes, you may. Why are you late? Then, if you are getting late, so how will you reply? I am sorry, sir. I missed the bus. So, student, tell me, how did you all feel about the today's conversation? You will have to learn all conversation and we'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.